Welcome to URC Flourish Pilipinas, Baking with Experts. In today's lesson, we will learn different tips on how to bake sugar cookies. Joining us here again in episode, please give a warm welcome to Janina Tapang.
Hi everyone, I'm here again.
So quiz time. What did you do or learn from the last episode?
Kuya Jello and I bake carrot bar, and I also learned about the fat variations and the best type of fat you can use for carrot bar.
Oh wow! So ngayon naman, we will teach you tips on how to make cookies. So let's start? Alright, for our sugar cookies, these are the ingredients that we will be needing for our butter cookies. Prepare all the tools, equipment, and ingredients to be used. Then, in a mixing bowl of stand mixer with the paddle attachment, cream together unsalted butter and sugar until mixture becomes pale yellow in color. Tip number 1. Use a room temperature butter. Room temperature butter is when you gently press your finger into butter and make a small indentation. You can try it, Janina.
Bakit po ba importante na room temperature butter ang gagamitin?
Using room temperature butter is important to make sure na it is mixed evenly sa ating cookie dough until the very end ng dough mixing process. If yung butter kasi na gagamitin natin ay too hard, it will be difficult to cream the butter and the sugar. Also, chunks of butter may still be left unmixed and can melt and leave specks during baking. Tip number 2. Cream the butter and sugar properly. Creaming the butter and sugar properly is a crucial step in making these cookies. Like in cakes, the creaming process incorporates air into the dough which give the baked cookie light and soft texture. So for the next procedure, we will cream the butter and sugar in a stand mixer using the paddle attachment at medium speed until mixture is lighter in color and double its volume. The mixture will turn from bright yellow color into a pale or lighter color. You can scrape the bowl, Janina, in between mixing so that you can make sure that everything is mixed thoroughly. In a separate bowl, sift together URC Cattleya soft flour, URC Continental all-purpose flour, and cornstarch. Add the eggs one by one on the creamed butter mixture while mixing at a medium speed after each addition. Scrape the sides of the bowl and mix until mixture is evenly combined. Add the flour mixture and mix until fully incorporated. Do not overmix. Tip number 3. Chill the dough thoroughly before shaping. Lightly dust a silicone sheet or parchment paper with flour and place the cookie dough on top. Then, form a ball.
Bakit po important mag-dust ng flour?
It is important to dust flour para hindi dumikit or hindi mag-stick yung dough natin sa silicone pot. Using a rolling pin, roll the dough into a sheet until 3 mm thick. You wanna try? Yan. Chill the dough for at least 20 minutes before cutting shapes into it.
Paano po kapag gutom na ako, hindi ko na po mahintay yung 20 minutes tapos nakat ko po agad into shapes?
We need to chill first para maging stiff yung dough so that it can hold the shapes when you start shaping the dough. Kapag kinat agad, hindi maganda yung result ng cookie shape edges natin. For our next step, we need to use a round cookie cutter. Maraming shapes yung cookie cutters natin. So, pwede kang pumili ng kahit na anong shapes. But for today, we will be using a round cookie cutter. Cut circular cookie shapes and place them in a baking tray lined with silicone matte or wax paper. And now, we will place our cut cookie doughs sa tray. Then, i-bake na natin siya after. We will bake at 150 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes or until done with a light brown color. Then we will cool down and set aside. Now, pupunta na tayo sa exciting part. We will now make our own fun and creative designs sa cookie dough using our sugar icing. To do this, I prepared this sugar icing and colored them with different colors. Then, I placed it inside these piping bags. Isa sa mga tip in designing sugar cookies, you can prepare 2 sets. One set should have a slightly thicker or stiffer para we can easily outline our design, and another set should be more flowy in texture. To pipe the designs on our cookies, it is important that we squeeze the piping bag with even amount of pressure and then pull the piping tip away from the cookies rather than dragging like this. Habang nasa learning stage ka pa, Janina, I prepared an outline designs wherein you can fill with sugar icings. So, ano bang favorite mong fruit or vegetable? Nag-prepare kasi ako. Pwede mo na siyang lagyan ng sugar icing. Apple. Yan. Sige, press mo lang siya, tapos, yan. Susundan mo lang yung pinaka-outline sa labas.
Tama po ba yung ginagawa ko?
Yes, tuloy mo lang. There you have it, our sugar cookies.
Wow! Excited na ako, Chef! Pwede na po bang tikman?
Sige, go! Ano, kamusta?
Ang sarap po!
We hope na may natutunan kayong tips in baking sugar cookies. Screenshot na mga ka-baker buddies! For recap, naka-flash screen ang ating complete ingredients for our sugar cookies. So that's it for our second episode with Janina. See you on our next episode, mga baker buddies! Bye!